Is Livades Miskills?
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany, and you?
Well, you from Germany. Okay, I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay, nice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. Can I talk to you a little bit if you have time?
Of course, that's why we are here.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Your red hair is looking really so beautiful. Wow. Your clothes is also red.
Yup,
Yeah, I like it.
everything red today.
Yeah, I like it.
Thank you.
Welcome. Wow. So your name, what's your name?
My name is
Yeah.
Chaos.
What?
Miss Chaos. Chaos.
Chaos. Miss Chaos. Okay. Nice
Mhm.
name. Nice to meet you, Miss Chaos.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Chaos.
okay. So your eyes, your blue eyes is looking really
I
so.
don't have blue eyes.
So
They are gray, blue, green, and there's a little bit brown also inside of the middle.
oh, okay. Can you show me? Can you show me like that? Oh, nice. Yeah, not blue.
Mhm.
So
Germany.
if you don't mind, can you teach me some Germany? I mean your language.
What do you want to know?
How to say I love you in Germany?
I love you means ich liebe dich. Ich
Ich
liebe
liebe
dich.
this. Okay. Ich liebe this.
Yes.
Ich liebe this, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Listen. Ich liebe this Miss Kills.
But why? You don't even know me. But why you don't know me?
I just kidding to you. Please, never mind.
Ah, okay.
Is it your real hair or fake?
Of course, it's my real hair.
Wow, so nice.
But
Nice.
thank you.
Hey, when you smiling, your smiling face is look like a moon.
Thank you.
Welcome.